How to enter practice range with friends in Valorant. Hi guys, to start, please launch Valorant. From there, access your account and related settings. These options are readily available to you. Now, the primary objective is to team up with a friend from your party who's eager to play alongside you. Click on the play button to initiate the process. Subsequently, to avoid any complications, you can either use the in-game options here or, alternatively, take the proactive step of inviting them via the designated button or requesting their participation. The choice of method is entirely yours, or you can simply leave your party open, allowing them to join at their convenience. So how can you and your friend access the custom or practice range together? Fortunately, the process is straightforward. Since the practice range doesn't inherently support 2 players, follow these steps. Navigate to the custom game section, select your preferred game mode, then access the options and enable the Allow Cheat Mode feature. Confirm your selections by checking the appropriate boxes and pressing the Start button, followed by Start Match. The game will commence, offering numerous activities akin to those found in the practice range. I'll provide a comprehensive walkthrough shortly. Let's patiently await the game's launch. As you can observe, the loading process is swift, and the game environment closely resembles the practice range. I'll provide you with all the necessary insights once we're inside the game. Here we are, as you can see, in normal mode. Notably, in this mode, you have the ability to interact with various elements such as picking up and throwing objects like this spike, or even retrieving and planting the spike. Now, what sets this mode apart from the standard game? Well, it offers additional features. For instance, clicking on Execution allows you to access a menu where you can customize your experience. You can transform into a ghost, granting you the ability to fly, navigate through the map, confront your friend, and much more. Furthermore, you can modify your agent selection right here. Should you desire a different agent, like Neon, you can swiftly make the change. I'll demonstrate how to transition back to the regular game phase. Let's conclude this session or restart the game entirely. This feature comes in handy, especially if your friend has a significant lead in terms of kills. By restarting the game, you can reset the score to 0-0. So there you have it. This is how you and your friends can join the practice range together. I trust you found this video informative.